And this today I will repair this laptop hinge, and you can see this laptop hinge separate from this main part. Okay, this is broken from this here. Okay, today I will fix this very simple and easy way. And you can see this area is moving from here, from main part. Use some glue for attaching this. This is the perfect. Okay. Mix it very beautifully. When you completely mix it, and it will be becoming white. After 24 hours, it will be strong and it will be unbreakable. And you can see this after 24 hours it's become very strong, and everything is very strongly at us. Strongly at us. And this one is working perfectly. Okay, there is no problem. Maybe it will be work very strongly. Okay, just attaching here, this side also. Let's check this how it work, and you can see this is perfectly work. Okay, here is a no cap, and this one is very fine. Okay, viewers, and you can see also this side. No problem. Okay, viewers, thanks for watching.